How's it? Welcome back. So what we're going to be doing now is actually taking all the things that we've just learned in this section and we're going to try and demonstrate it. So we're going to use Google Sheets. And Google Sheets is quite amazing because it has a regex engine built in. Now, if you only have Excel on your computer, don't worry. I'm going to share my sheet with you. Just go into your resources, open it up, and try this along with me. So I've just zoomed into mine here so it's easier for you to see. We're going to be doing quite a few of these examples throughout the course, so let's see how this one works. Okay, so in Google Sheets there are a couple of formulas that you can use. If you push equals and type regx, you will see three of them that we can use: regex match, regex extract, and regex replace. We're going to use regex match, and what it's going to do is it's going to say if it's there, then true; if it's not there, then false. So let's see how this whole thing works. So we're going to say regex match, and it's then going to open the parentheses. It's then going to ask you for where are we going to be looking inside, and we're going to be looking inside this. And now I'm going to push a comma, and we then can write our regex. So I'm going to open quotations, close quotations, and I'm going to close my brackets just so my formatting is good. And then inside the quotations, I'm going to write my regular expression. We are going to look at what we have just done in this course so far. And we have looked at literal matches. So if I type in here, Jacob, and push enter, you will see it's true. And if I drag that down, you'll see that all the rest of them are false. If I change Kaylee's name to Jacob, that obviously changes it to true. I'm going to undo that. So that is the first one. A literal match of Jacob. If you want to say I'm looking for a literal match of the B, then a space, then an A, so I can do lowercase b, a space, and then uppercase A, and push enter, you will see that's true again. If I drag that down, it won't be true for any of the other ones because none of the other ones have that pattern in the middle. Remember that if we are going to do in this order, that works, but if I do capital A, then a space, then lowercase b, which is the reverse order, and push enter, that's going to be false. Okay, so those are literal characters so far. Okay, so we could also have a specific meta character that we're searching for. So let's say instead of a B here, we do a backslash and then a period and push enter. We are looking for a period in all of these particular things. So right now, all of them are false. If we wanted to change this from Jacob to J with a full stop afterwards, it will then say that is true because that has now found a period in that string. So that one obviously matches. The last thing we like to do is see if any character is in here. So instead of a backslash period, I'm going to take away the backslash and just leave a period. And you'll see that that says that there are lots of any characters inside there, so they're all true. And if I drag all of those down, they'll be true for all of those. Let's move on to the next section.